Welcome to the broadcast. Let's have a look at the business news. The Nairobi Securities Exchange has shed 201.8 billion shillings in investor wealth over the past month after key stock prices fell on selling pressure from investors looking to lock in profits from an earlier rally. Now, data from the browse shows that market capitalization, the measure of investor wealth, stood at 2.842 trillion shillings at the close of trading yesterday, having come down from the all-time high of 3.04 trillion shillings recorded on the 6th of November. The highs of the first week of November represented the first time that the NSE had crossed the 3 trillion shillings mark, thanks to a sustained rally that was accelerated in October by positive corporate financial announcements by key companies including Safaricom, Equity Group and Cooperative Bank of Kenya. Visitor arrivals through the country's two main airports and other borders grew by 48.1% to 1.8 million during the first 9 months of this year, coinciding with a visa-free policy that took effect at the start of 2025. Now, data from the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics shows that in the 9 months to September, visitors entering the country through the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport and the Moi International Airport, excluding Kenyans, rose from 1.27 million in a similar period last year. The rise came in the wake of a decision by Kenya to impose a visa-free policy for all visitors, which from the start of this year was in a bid to grow tourism and boost earnings to the economy. And Nairobi has once again cemented itself as the country's construction powerhouse. New data from the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics shows that the capital outpaced all 44 counties combined in the value of real estate projects. Now, according to the data, Nairobi recorded building works worth 384.9 billion shillings last year, accounting for 40.6% of all construction activity nationally. Across the country, the value of construction of buildings rose to 947.6 billion shillings, edging closer to the trillion shilling mark. In contrast to the 44 counties combined posted construction works valued at 361.7 billion shillings, underscoring just how concentrated real estate development remains in the capital. Kiambu and Mombasa followed with building works valued at 120 billion shillings and 80.9 billion shillings respectively, while counties like Machakos and Kisumu recorded between 23 shillings and 35 billion shillings. Overall, 13 counties posted more than 10 billion shillings in construction activity, reflecting the government's push under the Affordable Housing Program. According to President Ruto, the Affordable Housing Program has so far launched 230,000 housing units and created more than 420,000 jobs, with employment expected to peak at 1 million next year. Right, that's it for business.